Hello everyone! In today's video, I want to show you how to make this bell Christmas ornament. I am going to use acrylic yarn double knit and a 3.5mm hook. We are going to start with a slip knot and chain 5. Now, in this first chain, we are going to do 1 double crochet and a chain 2. And then we are going to continue to make this double crochet and chain 2 4 more times. After you reach 6 little legs, the 5 double crochets and a chain 2, we need to close this row. So chain another 2 and slip stitch to the top of the chain here to close and have this perfect little first round. On the second round, we will start with a chain 3 and we are gonna do 2 double crochets in the first chain space. Then we are gonna chain 2 and make 2 other double crochets in the chain space. When you reach, when you're close to the end of this round, after you do the double crochet, we are not going to do another one. We are going to slip stitch into the first chain here, so that we have, this way we have the 2 double crochets. And this is round 2 done as well. As you can see, the bell is starting to take shape. Round 3, we are going to chain 3 and we are going to work also in the chain spaces. We are going to do this sequence all around. So the sequence is 2 double crochets, a chain 2 and another 2 double crochets in the same chain space. We are going to do this all around. At the end of the row, only do 1 last double crochet and then slip stitch into the chain from the start. The next 4 rounds are a repeat of this round 3. For easier understanding the pattern, please see the written pattern in the description box. On the next round, we will almost work the same. The only difference it will be to have a chain 3 between the two double crochet pairs. So we are going to chain 3 because we are going to need to do something for the last row that needs a bit more space. On the last round, we are going to double crochet 8 times in this chain space. And repeat this all around. Work 1 slip stitch and fasten yarn. On the top, we'll just join some red yarn and make a chain to be able to hang it. Treat how many as you want, depending on where you want to place it. I would say a chain 15 should be enough. Bring the chain on the other side. Do a single crochet and fasten the yarn. Bring the two ends on the inside and make a knot. To make a bow, start with a slip knot, chain 6, and then work 6 treble crochets in this first chain. Chain 4, and slip stitch in this first chain. Chain 4 again, and 6 treble crochets on this side in the same chain space. Chain 4, and slip stitch in the same chain space. Leave length of yarn to make the middle of the bow. You can tie these two ends together so that the middle doesn't come apart. For the ribbon that we are gonna attach to the bow, we are gonna chain 40. And then, starting from the second chain from the hook, we are going to slip stitch into each chain. This will give this ribbon a little bit of curl, but not too much, and it still remains quite thin. And our Christmas ornament is done. I really hope you enjoyed this video and that you found it helpful. If so, please consider subscribing to my channel, leaving a comment with anything you'd like to see next. And I hope you'll have a great Christmas and a very happy New Year. Thank you for watching.